Hi there, Ken Bogeman here with SG Advantage, and today we are going to talk about how to manage your work orders during winter weather events. Just watched the video on how to manage work orders from your mobile device. If not, check that one out. That's how you will handle work orders from the mobile device. But here we are on how to manage work orders also from the desktop version. So when you log in, as per usual, unless there's something happening that you need to know about on your dashboard, it will be empty. So when you log in during a storm, go ahead and head over here to the work orders section on the left. If you click on that, you'll see that one approved work order that we just did in the training on the desktop version. Now let's say that the subscriber you're working with just went ahead and sent out a whole bunch of work orders, which I'm clicking that button right now on in my other window here. And so when we refresh the screen on this side, now all of a sudden there's a bunch of work orders in here, right? We've got a total of 14 of them. So here's our approved work order. And what you'll see is you'll see all of the individual work orders that have been sent your way. What you can do is you can come over here to where you've got this little 10 per page. You can click that and you can show up to 100 work orders per page. We're going to just click on 25 so we can kind of see everything here at once. In fact, I'm also going to go ahead and zoom out just a little bit, make this life a little easier for us all. So here we go. So now we've got that one approved work order. Now what you can see is you can see all of the storm, all the properties, the services that are going, anticipated start times, and then your anticipated finish. The actual start and actual finish, well, those are going to be blank until you actually start and finish those work orders. So what you can do if you wanted to is you can go ahead and come on over here and you can click this acknowledge all button to acknowledge all the work orders. Or if you wanted to, you could individually come in and take a look at all of them and say you want to acknowledge this one. Okay, no problem. You could acknowledge that. It's going to drop down right here. So you can go one by one, or you can click the acknowledge all button right here. And now they're all acknowledged. And then what you can do is you can kind of work your way through those. So let's say we're going to go ahead and start clearing at the rail hub here. So you can click the little pencil. You can click start work order. Now it's going to be started. Now here it's going to grab that one, the time that you started it right here. But we want to be sure to add our operators in there. So if you click on the button to edit, you can click on the operator view here. And let's go ahead and add me in there. And let's say I'm in a truck with a 9-foot or bigger plow, and I've started at 12:04. Save operator, clocked in, and then we can continue adding as many operators as we need to. Brent's there. He's in a pickup truck with a plow. Clocked in there at 12:04. Okay, no problem. Let's say we find out, oh, nope, Ken actually got there at 12 o'clock on the dot. No problem. Come over here, we can edit that, save. It's going to update that time now to be noon. So once this all gets built in with your operators, you can clock out the operator right here. Now they're clocked out. You can add an operator back in. The same functionality as you have from the phone, but you have it here on the desktop view. When it comes time to finish that work order, click finish work order. It's going to tell you that you need to supply the answers to the questions. So go ahead and hit your service questions for this work order. So we're going yes, yes, yes. No piles there. Everything's good there. Once that's ready to roll, click finish, and it's going to give you some notes here that'll say everything's clocked out. Go ahead and finish work order. There you go. It's going to pop in here as finished. And so then at that point, it's going to be up to the subscriber to go ahead and approve that, which I'm going to do in another window right now. So when I approve that work order, right there, and then we refresh on this screen here, now it's going to be right there as approved. So that's how you can manage work orders through the desktop version. Essentially works the same as the mobile version. It just gives a little bit wider view and ability to use a bigger keyboard if you'd like to. So hopefully that answers all your questions. So that wraps it up. Hopefully that answers any questions you've got. But if you have more questions, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help however we can. Thanks so much. Have a great day.